and today we're going to talk about the 5 most common mistakes in IELTS writing, and at the end of this video I'm gonna give you the solution. I'm gonna tell you how to stop making these mistakes forever. So stick around, subscribe to my channel, leave your like and your comments in the section below. Hi everyone, welcome back to Giseliopedia channel. Today we are going to talk about writing mistakes in IELTS exam. And as I said at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the solution to stop making these mistakes once for all. So let's get the party started, right? Are you ready? Let's go. So I want you to please read this sentence here and spot the mistakes. I'm gonna give you a chance. We have 3 mistakes in this sentence. So I'm pretty sure you found the mistakes, right? The sentence is, I studied German at IELTS Academy. So the 3 mistakes there are about capitalization rules. So it should be I capitalized, because we always capitalize I. German, because we capitalize languages. And IELTS Academy, because we capitalize names of specific places. So yes, we gotta pay attention to the capitalization rules when we write our paper. So let's move on to the second sentence. Take a look at this. Can you spot the mistakes here? Yeah, you're right. The mistake here is about sentence fragment. This sentence is, although I was nervous at first, I really enjoyed working with him. What's the mistake here? As you know, although is a subordinated conjunction. And these subordinated conjunctions start a dependent clause. So if you have a dependent clause in a sentence, it means that you need an independent clause. So you can't separate these clauses with a period. Instead, you gotta place there a comma. So it's gonna be like this. Although I was nervous at first, I enjoyed working with him, with comma, to separate these sentences. So it's really important to understand the conjunctions and how to place them in a sentence while you are writing your paper. Okay, let's take a look at this sentence number 3. I'm pretty sure you were able to understand the mistake here, right? This sentence says, after that, I washed my hand and went out. After that is an introductory sentence. So after introductory sentences, we gotta place a comma. For example, for instance, after that. All of those are introductory phrases. So pay attention to those while you are writing your paper. Okay, let's check out sentence number 4. What do you think? Can you pinpoint the mistake here? I'm pretty sure you can. So this sentence says, they think of lots of solutions, but it never works. The mistake here is regarding reference, pronouns reference. So it should be, they think of lots of solutions, but they never work. They is the pronoun that refers to solutions. So this is a very common mistake, and you gotta pay attention to it while writing your paper. If you are enjoying this video so far, please subscribe to my channel, leave your like and your questions in the section below. So let's take a look at this last example. What do you think? Well, the sentence says, are you interested on going to the movies? What's the mistake here? The mistake is about collocations. So it should be, are you interested in going to the movies? We always say, I am interested in something. So collocations are of paramount importance when you are writing your paper. This is a very important topic to check out. All right, let's recall these 5 common mistakes in IELTS writing. We talked about capitalization. We talked about sentence fragment. We talked about pronoun reference. We talked about collocations. And we talked about missing comma after introductory phrases. Great. Now I'm going to tell you how to avoid these mistakes forever. Of course, we have lots of common mistakes in English regarding writing, academic writing. I can tell you more than 20 different writing mistakes. I'm going to record other videos as well talking about these mistakes, the other mistakes. So now the solution for you is take notes. This is very important. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to write down your weaknesses, the mistakes you make the most. For example, you can write number 1, the pronoun reference. Number 2, the missing comma after the introductory phrases. Number 3, capitalization. Number 4, connotations. And you keep this list with you. So every time that you write an assignment, you proofread your assignment to find these mistakes. And you keep repeating this every time you write an assignment. And you will see, after that, you won't commit these mistakes again. All right, now let's talk about courses and books to help you out write much better and increase your score in IELTS writing. So the course, as I told you previously, is IELTS Band 7 Plus in UDEMY website. Believe me, this is a VIP course. In this course, you will be studying writing task 1 and task 2 in details for general and academic tests. It has got everything covered. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and go for it. Okay, my suggestion for you today is this Cambridge book. It highlights all of the mistakes in writing made by students and the real mistakes. You will learn those mistakes and how to avoid them. And most importantly, it has got lots of examples, lots of exercises to help you out. So if you think that this book is good for you, click on the link below and try it out. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Take care of yourself and see you in the next video. Bye bye.